Hello teachers and welcome back. This is now part 2 of 3 for our lesson 5 and it's the Channel 21 and cultural page. Now in the previous video you saw that we did Spring Hill School, which is the Irish school, and that was done on purpose. I wanted them to be introduced to that content because it's quite tough. In this particular video clip, we're going to be focusing on Channel 21, and this particular video is going to be quite short because as I said before, clip 3 will be quite long. So we're going to jump straight into Channel 21. And like I said, I've chosen to break it up in this particular way because I want to give the kids a bit of a break. We've had a difficult thing at the beginning. Now we're going to have a bit of a break with Channel 21. And as you know, it's kind of passive learning. It's not very active, but we need, as a teacher, we need to make it as active as possible. And therefore, we need to draw the attention of our students to all of the vocabulary that they're going to be exposed to. So for example, one of them is robot over here. Point shoes, what might they be? Toe shoes, what ballet slippers, what's going on? Rollerblades, and then finally apron. Now, just as a word of caution and something interesting, when ballet dancers dance, okay, they're not wearing shoes. They're called slippers, ballet slippers. However, the correct word for those ballet slippers is in fact called point shoes or toe shoes. And these are specific to ballet dancers. So when you are preparing for Channel 21, please teachers, make sure that you watch the content beforehand, make sure you understand that content, and make sure that you can express it and explain it to the students before it starts. Otherwise, sometimes there will be a bit more confusion than is necessary. Okay, so once the kids have understood the vocabulary and you've explained it properly enough, they don't have to learn it, they don't have to say it too much, whatever. Again, this is kind of passive learning. They certainly need to be exposed to it. Then, of course, we can go to our part 1 of this, or exercise 1. And you as a teacher can introduce it. The students might be able to guess the answers already. It's up to you, it's up to the students, but you do need to pre-teach this one. And once you have pre-taught that, that's okay. You ask the kids to put their books away, or you can keep the books open. You wheel out the TV, squeak, 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 squeak on the wheels. And then of course you play Channel 21. Now the idea of course is for the kids to be able to enjoy themselves. And it's up to you if you want to play it once or twice. My suggestion is definitely do not do it more than twice. If they couldn't get it after the second time, it's no need to labor the point. This is not our target content in the lesson. Okay, they watched the clips once or twice. That's really great. Now you push the TV out of the way. And then we get the kids to open up the books again all over. And we can then focus in on exercise 1. Excuse me, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay, done and done. The kids should have enjoyed themselves, and now that activity is over, we're going to go into Spring Hill School next, so clip 3, part 3. So I will see you then, and take care, teachers. Bye-bye.